While Governor Justice issued an order for people to wear masks while in public, many may have a difficult time getting them. Well, now one group is stepping up to help. 13 News reporter Natalie Wattis explains how.
After a mandatory mask order from West Virginia Governor Jim Justice, there's a need in the community for more of them.
The virus is getting worse, it's not getting better. And with the governor's edict yesterday that everybody has to wear a mask, or should wear a mask, I guess, it's a perfect timing to help meet that need.
The United Way of the River Cities purchased 10,000 masks thanks to a donation from the American Electric Power Foundation.
The grant was given to the United Way. It was an $18,000 grant to use for PPEs, during this time of this pandemic, mostly for the masks.
And the United Way is giving them out to those most at risk.
We have so many vulnerable people in our community, and that goes from senior citizens to the homeless, to people who are just in great need.
Now, of the nearly 10,000 masks, 2,000 are disposable and 7,500 are cloth. The masks are being distributed to centers that serve the homeless in this community and centers that serve senior citizens. United Way of the River Cities serves 5 counties in the region, many of which are seeing major upticks in coronavirus cases. They have $3,000 left of the grant saved if the need grows and the community needs more masks.
Many folks don't have access to them. They don't have the money to buy them. They're not even sure where to buy them. So we are making them available at a time that there's a heightened awareness of how important it is to use them.
Providing safety and hope in a time when we all need it just a little more. In Huntington, I'm Natalie Wattis, 13 News, working for you.
Cloth masks will be distributed to library branches across the county served by the United Way of the River Cities. And we have details on where to find a location near you on our website at WOWKTV.com.